cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up.
Hey guys, so we are making a short Bob Marley braid today, and we are using 6 packs of Brazilian wool on my 4C natural hair. So first thing first, I go in with my Canto leave-in conditioner. After applying it on my hair, I have to massage it and so that the hair will marinate, after which I have to comb my hair. When I was done combing my hair, this is me, arranging the wool so that the hair will get going immediately. So this is me cutting the wool, after which I have to reveal the size of the hair. Then guys, this is me cutting the hair from the back so that I can start my braiding as soon as possible. So when I finish cutting off the little portion that I want, so the next thing I did was to go in with my wool so that I can do the braid, because I have to braid from the down from the roots of the hair. And guys, just continue watching.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a
So when I was done braiding the hair and cutting off the tip, the next thing I did was to dip the hair into a very hot water so that the hair can relax a bit. It's a Brazilian wool. So when I was done, of course I have to accessorize the hair. So this is me putting accessories on the hair just to beautify the hair and make it look popping and sweet. When I finish accessorizing the hair, so I have to further accessorize the hair by adding this beautiful cord so that I can make the hair pop more, because I need it to pop guys. So when I was done fixing this cord, and finally guys, this is the final look, and the hair is giving 10 over 10 minus nothing. And guys, I was like, in fact, I am very very elated and happy that the hair really came out so nice and simple. And the funny thing, this hair took me just about 4 hours for me to round off, and Guys, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this hairstyle. This is 2025, a year of DIY. So guys, this is basically how I made my own hair today, and I'm gonna rock it to work tomorrow and all throughout the week. So guys, thank you so much for always hanging in there. Please do give me a thumbs up, follow, and comment on this video. Thank you so much. Please, if you have not subscribed, I beg you, please subscribe to our channel, and make sure you turn on your notification for more exciting videos like this one. Thank you so much. Bye.